Season 2, Episode 29, A Surprise Singer. In this video, you will see a sewing machine being threaded, and then you will see the sewing machine being operated. Don't you love surprises? So let's take a closer look. See what this is. Well. It's a Singer Fashion Mate, model 239, straight stitch machine only. And this one has a really interesting story because it's unusual for me to have it, because I purchased it and the person I purchased it from, they had received it as a gift and it had been fully restored professionally before it was gifted to that lovely lady. So I paid $80 Canadian for it in the summer of 2022 when we were in the thick of COVID. To tell you the truth, this is maybe the third or fourth time that I've even had the lid off this machine in the last, 2 years, not quite 2 years. We're getting into the early 60s with this machine, and we're starting to get a little bit of plastic, not in the working parts or the operating parts, but like the lid. The body may still be cast aluminum, but the lid is gone plastic by this time. So it's a very interesting sewing machine. And like I said, this one has a very interesting story. And when it comes to sewing machines, doesn't everybody like to tell sewing machine stories? Anyway, beautiful machine we have here, folks. It certainly looks like it has been restored by a professional. Here is the pedal. Here is plug that goes to the receptacle. Don't worry, it's not plugged in. And there's a plug there. So using deductive reasoning, this plug from the motor will go into one of these here, like that. Let's see if we have any electricity. There's my little piece there. Well, I love it. I mean, it's a little noisy. Anyway, beautiful machine we have here, folks. We have a professionally restored machine here to work with, to play with. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm at least going to thread it. Then we just bring it along, and there's like a hoop here. So, is there? Yeah, there is. So, but you know what? I'm just going to put it through like that, and then take it down to the tension assembly down there. Then we'll take it down to the thread guide, and we'll run it up the other side. Then we bring this up. There, now we have it through. The next step is to put it through this open-ended loop, so it's easy to get that one on. And then once we take it through there, we have to get it in to there. And then the needle is ready to thread. And I believe it is correctly threaded when it is threaded left to right, because that's the way it is set up for threading left to right. There, now it's all set up to thread the needle. So I've already cut the thread with a sharp pair of scissors so that I hopefully have a fairly small, clean edge. I do have a magnifying glass, and I also have those. And I also have a pair of tweezers. So I'm hoping that with the finesse from the tweezers and the magnifying glass, hoping to be in good shape threading it. Well, sorry you missed all the action. I did get it in, but it's threaded left to right. And I'll see what's going on in the bobbin, see if we have some thread down there. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful indeed. Lucky me, it looks like the bobbin is already threaded. So all I have to do is just see if I can bring it up. Seems to be on. Well, let's see how this goes. Whoopsie daisy. Had it on reverse. Well, I must have a knot or something. But anyway, it rocks and rolls. That was a little bit of fun. There we go. Mission accomplished. Please subscribe. Stay safe. Have fun. Adios, amigos.